In this video, I will show you how to reduce video file size without losing quality, or how to compress video without losing quality. Open your browser. Search for HandBrake. Click on the first result. Click on Other Platforms. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system, such as Windows, Mac, or Linux. Click on Download. Open your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer. Click on Next. Click on Next again. Click Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. Click on Finish. Launch the HandBrake application. Click on the Open Source button located in the top left corner of the window. Select the video file you want to compress from your computer and click Open. In the Presets section on the right side, select a preset that suits your needs. For general use, Fast 1080p30 is a good choice as it balances quality and file size. In the Format option, select MP4 and check the Web Optimized box. Navigate to the Video tab and set video codec to H.264 for good compression. Ensure framerate is set to Same as Source for consistency. Check the Constant Framerate box. Adjust the constant quality slider to around 20 to 23 for high quality. Navigate to the Audio tab and click on Selection Behavior. Ensure the audio codec is set to AAC and adjust the bitrate to around 160 kilobits per second for a good balance of quality and size. Click on the Browse button at the bottom right of the window. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the compressed video file and give it a name. Once all settings are configured, click on the green Start Encode button at the top of the window. Monitor the progress at the bottom of HandBrake. The encoding time will vary based on video length and settings. After encoding is complete, navigate to your chosen save location to find your compressed video file. As you can see, the original video file size was 111 MB, and the new compressed video file size is 75 MB. You can reduce the file size even more by setting the constant quality slider to 20. Play it back to ensure the quality meets your expectations. And if we play them back side by side, you'll notice that there has been no quality loss. By following these steps, you can efficiently reduce video file sizes using HandBrake while maintaining high visual and audio quality.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.